Okay, we're back. So this is definitely some take two. So here's the original plate that we are pulling off. And let me zoom out a little bit. Plate we're pulling off. Wood top we're also pulling off. Replacing that base. And what we found was that the screws that inline shipped, or the bolts, and everything I had were just a little too small. So if you think about the cast and the fact that the bolts they sent wouldn't even lock into this plate, not enough room to thread a nut there. So that was a no-go. And actually went to the hardware store, and this is what I'm going to replace them with for two reasons. One, because of the added thickness, the extra 1/4 inch from the wood, and probably 3/16 of that metal. And I cut up a new piece of wood to fit on top of the press plate. So that's all ready to go, minus obviously putting a coat of lacquer on. So I'm not going to do that today, or at least not going to put it in. But what we will do is a dry run, and we'll use this plate so you can see what it looks like when it's mounted. So I will set up to mount here and be right back.